Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to light a charcoal grill without a Chimey starter. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to light a charcoal grill without a Chimey starter is www.virtualweberbullet.com. See the page titled How to Use a Chimney Starter, the Virtual Weber Bullet. Here's the link. You can also try www.wikihow.com, especially the page How to Start a Charcoal Fire with a Chimney Starter, 6 steps. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see lifewithgrilling.com. The web page How to Light a Charcoal Grill with a Chimney Starter. This is the link.